Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste in Photoshop. So this is an image and I want to copy this. So first step you need to select the polygon lasso tool. You can select lasso tool as well. So I'm going to select polygon lasso tool so that I can select easily. Okay. And then you simply need to click on Control C and click on File, New. So I'm going to create a new. Okay, so this is the new, and here you need to click on Control V. So now you can see that it is copy paste here. If you want, you can select your selection, click on Control T and make it a little smaller so that it look more professional. So this is a process that you need to follow to copy and paste in Photoshop. I hope you like this video and you must subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.